Are you tired of struggling with weight loss while managing PCOS? You're not alone. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that affects millions of women worldwide, making it challenging to shed those extra pounds. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to successful weight loss with PCOS, including the best diet plans, exercise routines, and lifestyle changes that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. From understanding the connection between PCOS and insulin resistance to learning how to balance your hormones, we'll cover it all. Managing PCOS can feel like an uphill battle, especially when it comes to weight loss. But I want you to know that you're not alone, and there is hope. For many people with PCOS, weight loss can seem impossible, but with the right approach, it can be achievable. One of the biggest challenges is hormonal imbalance. PCOS is characterized by high levels of androgens, which can affect metabolism and lead to weight gain. Insulin resistance is another common issue, making it difficult for glucose to enter cells, leading to high blood sugar levels. This can further exacerbate weight gain and make it hard to lose weight. Metabolic issues can also slow down weight loss efforts. These hormonal and metabolic changes can make it difficult to stick to traditional weight loss diets. Crash diets and extreme calorie restriction can actually do more harm than good. They can lead to nutrient deficiencies and slow down metabolism, making it even harder to lose weight in the long run. So, what's the solution? A key part of managing PCOS and achieving weight loss is making sustainable lifestyle changes. This includes adopting a balanced diet that's rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Regular exercise is also crucial, such as cardio and strength training to boost metabolism and build muscle. In addition to diet and exercise, stress management and sleep are also essential. High stress levels and lack of sleep can disrupt hormones and metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation or yoga, and prioritizing sleep can make a big difference. But here's a game changer: focusing on small, incremental changes. Rather than trying to overhaul your entire lifestyle at once, focus on making 1 or 2 changes each week. This could be as simple as taking a short walk each day or replacing one unhealthy snack with a healthy one. The power of small changes lies in their sustainability. By making tiny adjustments that you can stick to in the long term, you're more likely to see lasting results. Over time, these small changes can add up to make a big impact on your weight loss journey. Another crucial insight is the importance of community and support. Having a network of people who understand what you're going through can make all the difference. Whether it's a support group, online community, or just a friend or family member, having someone to share your struggles and successes with can keep you motivated and accountable. In summary, managing PCOS and achieving weight loss requires a holistic approach that addresses hormonal imbalances, metabolic issues, and lifestyle factors. By making sustainable changes, focusing on small, incremental steps, and building a support network, you can overcome the challenges of PCOS and achieve your weight loss goals. If you've been struggling with PCOS and weight loss, I want to hear from you. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other related videos for more helpful tips and advice on managing PCOS and achieving a healthier lifestyle.